Yeah, hello friends. In this video, we will see different chart elements that we can use. So we click on a chart we already have. So how to create a pivot chart? We have already, there's another video, you can refer that. So in this, we will click on the chart and then we have to select a design ribbon and then we can see a add chart element is there. So now these are the different chart elements that we can use here. So first is axis one. There are primary, as you can see, and this one vertical. So both, so either of them we can use. If we select that, we can see now this axis has been initiated, and you can see if we unselect any of it, now you can see all the month column has been disappear from here. So if we select that, so now we can see all the values on the vertical axis and all the month on the horizontal axis. Then the axis title we can also select where we want to put the axis title. So for the vertical, if you want to put, for example, here we can just put those, and we can edit this as well, sales. And if you want to add the vertical, sorry, horizontal axis, then we can also provide that month. Month. So this is how we can use the chart tiles. Then there is a chart title. So as you can see, there is, as of now it is total, this one. We can also use the central overlay. Then data labels. So as you can see, the numbers appearing above the bar, 20, 50, 100, all these we can also change it as per our requirement. Likewise this. And then data table also. So with legends key, if we want it, all those number will appear just below in a tabular format. Yes. Then there are some error bars. So again, this is more of a more analysis part. And then if you want to have some grid lines, so we can have some horizontal, vertical, and then minor, and then some minor vertical. And then there will be a legends. So where we want to put the legends. As of now in this particular sample, we have only legend, which is a total sales. So we can, if we put on the top, it will appear on the top left or in the bottom. So as per our requirement, we can select the location of the legend. And then there will be a trend line. It's linear, it will provide an projection. And again, this is also a forecast and a moving average based upon the mathematical formula. It is providing a trend line to us. So this is how we can use the chart elements in our chart. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.